If you want to see how they make the easy meal, please click subscribe and bell icon. Then let's see together. Thank you.
Work from home seems like the way to go until mankind finds a way around the pandemic.
As some of you would know, everyone still holds our own full-time jobs.
I am working at home most of the time.
Just like you.
We like our meals to be easy, quick, and yet still delicious on a working day.
We try to limit ourselves from going out too often.
We usually stock our pantry with long-lasting vegetables. We love this home-style chicken stew recipe because it's so easy to cook and we have all of the ingredients ready in our pantry.
Best of all, it is really yummy. Hope you can recreate this yummy recipe in the comfort of your home.
The first we boil water and cook chicken legs with simple herb. Chicken are cooking done, then we start fry garlic to be red.
Thank you for your valuable time watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest video. Thank you.